So it's kind of loud. There we go. I'm going to record this so that way I can maybe use it. I wonder though if it's recording just that one track or not. That's a good question. Alright, let's open this up. Where's iPhone? Oh, iPhone only? No, I got this guy. I've been wanting to open this for a hot minute. So we're going to do that today. I think I need to sharpen this knife. Jeez. This knife is definitely not as sharp as I thought. No. Alright. That's weird. It got kicked out for a second. I've been sitting on building this board for a hot minute, and I'm just glad that I finally can work on it. Oh, that new board. The new box smell. Quick start guide. Cool. What this function as? Oh, the backlight. Keychron. Make sure your switch pans are straight. Because if they're not straight, then what are you doing with your life, right? I don't know. Alright. Pullers, we got our tools right here. So, cool. We should have all the necessary tools here. And we'll pull this board out. Instruction manual, box. Alright. This is definitely one of those ones where waiting on this for a minute. Nice. Ooh. Look at that. Dude, it has some weight to it. Wow. That is a much different profile. 75% board. Actually, compared to the Q2 that I have. It'll be nice actually to have its own function rules. Ooh, what a nice knob. Don't quote that. I never said you had a nice knob. This board has a nice knob. Not you. I mean, you might, but I'm not going to judge it. Alright. Got our board here. Today, we're going to be using Elgato PBD double shot keycaps. I got these during TwitchCon, so I thought it'd be fitting. They didn't have purple, so I went with blue. And to top it off, I'm going to go with some Akko switches. These are the Cream Blue V3s. I'm using them stock as is. I'm not going to lube them. If I want to, I will, but I've never lubed switches before. So this is definitely not one of those kinds of shows. These do come lube with stabilizers, so that'll be good. But I have to get in here, and I'm thinking, do I want to unmount the board or pull the board out and then put it in? That's what I'm thinking, because I don't know if I really want to just stick what do you call it? Oh shit, my bad. I don't want to just go ahead and start putting in these switches without supporting the back. And I want to test it before if I want to do a tape mod. So that's what I'm doing. I've been waiting to do this. I've been wanting to do it for a long time. So here we go. It comes with all the tools, so that's the cool part. So we got 8. You know, someone said you're supposed to use your thumb to do this. Like, how are you supposed to like this? I can't do that. My fingers are too fat. Cool. And the nice thing is it's plastic. It's not like an aluminum frame, but it feels nice and sturdy. I'm actually kind of impressed. And I like the translucentness of it. Let's see how the board looks inside. Why does my chat keep restarting? Has anyone else had that issue? Is it just a me thing? Okay. Let's go ahead and finish the bottom screws here. So I bought the bare bones version, so it just comes with the plate. And it should have gaskets and everything in there, and then I just got to put my own switches and caps. I'm definitely not a professional cap installer. No cap. Someone said to use their thumbs. My thumbs don't work like that. I'm sorry. I don't know what kind of magical thumbs you have, but I don't have those thumbs. So we'll just pretend. Pretend. This is the V1 Z3. But normally when you buy it, you just get the option of a V1 bare bones, where you have to add everything yourself, or you could get it pre-built with switches and keycaps. I like the default. The default switches are in the. Cause I usually get like a default Gateron red switch, and they're okay. All right, got that off. And then this should, or is it screwed in? Yeah, it's screwed in. So now I have to unscrew the plate, and this is a nice plate. I've done this once before, and you know, I didn't go this far. All I did was tape mod, and that's about it. So going this far is definitely new for me. Jesus, this screwdriver is not that pleasant. It's too big for my tiny hands. Like, I've always enjoyed pre-builds, but I know it's an expensive hobby. So that's why when I bought these switches, they're available on Amazon. They were like, a box starts at like $12-13. If you want pre-lubed, like factory lubed, you could get them for $20 for a set of 28, which is not bad. Or 48. Alright, so I got there's total about like 10 screws. There are different sizes, so I need to be careful. I can't mess this up. Oh, no, there's more. I shouldn't be able to mess this up, right? Was this stupid to start doing right now? No, I got time. Okay. 2 more screws. Oh, 3 more screws. Fuck. There are 12 screws total. Screw me. No, screw you. This is south-facing LEDs, so if you do get keycaps that you want see-through, you need to make sure that they're capable with south-facing LEDs. That's something I learned the hard way when I bought keycaps before that were meant for more north-facing LEDs, switches and stuff, and it didn't look as nice. All right, so I got that off. Ooh. There we go. There's the board. Ooh, that plasticky smell. Oh my god, it smells like soap. Is that weird? Like, it smells like fresh soap. So this has, it's like a big rubber fill. So this is the sound dampening. It's actually pretty thick. I don't know why. I like this smell. Is that weird? I mean, it's cut pretty nice too, so it fits. Like, it's perfectly molded, I will say. Oh, no, until I messed it up. Note to self: if you take things out, you should put it back properly. And don't just force it in. Forcing it in is a bad thing. Alright. So if I wanted to tape mod it, I definitely would have to consider removing that. But we're not going to do it for now. Alright, let's take these switches. This guy, put you there. So these are, or like I said, these are our Akko Creamy Blue V3s, or Akko. How would you pronounce it, Akko or Akko? These are tactile switches, and they have, I'll show you right now. Here. They're small little tactile switches. Let's see if you can listen to it. These are just stock, like I said, not even lubed. But let's go for it. I guess I could take the metal plate off. Can I? There's a nice, like, gasket in here, too. But I'm going to leave the metal plate on, because I actually don't know how to take it off, and I don't want to break anything. So, let's go ahead and start putting this on. You stay there. Yep. Did I do it right? I think I did. I can see why. You notice how, like, gentle I'm being? Because this is my first time doing it. I don't want to fuck it up. I guess I could just, like, pop them all these out like this, right? Just like, bah! But I just want to be careful of these. I don't want to mess them up. Whoops. Alright, dropped one. That's not what you want to do. Yeah, each pack comes with 48. So it's definitely nice. Or no, 48. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 45. 45. Yeah, this is not going to be the most, like, interesting stream where I talk about stuff. But we'll make it interesting. I needed this relaxing calmness after the day of work I had. It just was really busy. And I was really like, oh my god. All I want to do is just build this keyboard. Just because I felt like it was going to be nice and relaxing. Sorry for looking at my ear the whole time. If there's a better way to pop these out, let me know. Alright, that's done. Let's go back to putting this bad boy together. There we go. I just didn't want these like to do it, and all of a sudden like it breaks one off, because that would suck really bad. Because I've seen people where they said like it comes off, and that's the last thing I want to do. Like the little, so since these are already, they're hot swappable and they have everything already soldered in for you, I just wouldn't want one of those to come off and then make this a totally bad like investment, you know. There we go. So far, so good. Somebody's going really smooth, which is nice. That makes you question, am I doing something wrong? Seems so much like quicker when you watch a video. Of course they speed it up. Like just rapidly, like pa 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 pa. I don't have that kind of magic. So interesting how we've made things as humans. Like doing something like this just reminds me, like just the genius that we can make little devices and mechanisms like this. You know, like think about it. If this were to go right here, once it's all done. So far so good. I guess I didn't need to take it apart, but I wanted to. So I knew what it'd be like. See? I already don't like that feeling because it's just shoving it in. This way I can secure that it's been put in correctly. Didn't like how that one sounded. I know this is like the most god-awful experience to watch, I'm sure. These are pretty nice. The stabilizers. guess I only needed 2 sets. I bought 3 sets. But I guess I have an extra set in case I ever want to fuck around and find out. Actually attempt to lube them myself. No! There we go. It still smells so much like soap. Like, I'm shocked and amazed. And I honestly love it. Is that weird? Is it weird that I love the smell of this board? I'm always careful with how I seat these pins. And I actually like that. You could probably get like an aluminum plate to add more weight. But this is actually gasketed pretty well, I will say. Okay, so one collection got me this far. Okay. I have to open up another set. Let's close this guy back up. That would be good to use, save, when I want to actually like lube them and stuff. That's one down. One more set. And then we could try it out. I guess you could just pop them out. I shouldn't put it on there in case of static electricity. It's not really bending it. I mean, there's a little X on it for a reason, right? It's like a pop-it. Plus, if I break these, I have a whole other set. And I don't feel bad, because they weren't that pricey. Perfect. Done. Well, not done, but you know what I mean. Okay. Don't lose the screws, bro. pop these right on top of the screws. It's all right. I'm gonna call this my I don't know. I need a name for this board. So it's gonna be all blue. Creamy blue switches, blue keycaps. I got a feeling it's gonna. Oops, shit! I almost put those backwards. See? See why we need to pay attention to stuff? Let's see. Shit. No, that's fine. Perfect. So far, so good. It's almost interesting. You can see where this board like goes connected. Who would have thought I'd be building a board, or at least piecing together a board, versus buying like something straight out of the store. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I see where it's screwed in. The board is screwed into the plate, so that's nice. See, there's screws all along the board where it's actually screwed in. I didn't know that. I learn stuff every day. Shout out to my homie Ryan. This was his birthday yesterday. He just got his first not custom board, but you know, more than just a gaming board. He got a Newfie Halo 96. He's like, dude, this feels like a dream. I'm like, yeah, compared to you and your Razer blue switch keyboard. Like, I hooked him up for work. I hooked him up with an Elgato Wave 3. Oh no, Wave 1. It was on sale. I know I was really excited when he got that. I figured that was a good welcome. Not welcome, but thank you / you know, here's a cool gift for you. And then I want to get him a Stream Deck because we use it a lot for work. Like when I build stuff for work, I use a Stream Deck all the time. I use it more for work than I do for streaming. That's the honest truth. All right, 3 more switches. Yay! Or 4. Fuck. Then I could actually put it back together, put some keycaps on this. Everything good in the back. I should do a tape mod, but I don't want to yet. I want to hear how it sounds without it. And then I'll consider the tape mod. Perfect. That's it. Everything's hooked up. Everything looks good. Crisp. Let's put this guy back in. Got a couple extra switches over here. Cool. Where is our screws? Screw this back up. I know this is really exciting, but appreciate you hanging out while we do this because I'm really curious how it's going to sound. Oh crap, no. No, don't fall there. The only thing about Hay-Ball screws is when they're all black and you fuck them up, they lose like their charm, you know, like their nice like color. Crap, where was it? It was right here. All right, 8 more. It's also cool. So this is for Mac or PC, so I can use it for both. Did you hear that? This is not a full gasket mount, which is sad. Like, it's not springy. Doesn't have the same flex. Uh-oh. There we go. I was like, shit, I did not screw in right. I broke it. I broke it. I broke my nose. Shit. There we go. Lastly. Nope. Got it crooked. Oh god. It's going crooked. What the fuck? I was like, maybe those are too tight. Could be too tight. No. I can see why people do like O-rings and they just let it play. I could probably not do that so it sits in there. Then this guy. I love the infinity scroll. Okay. Let's put this back together here. Oh god. No! Fell. I just want to get these screws in, then I can tighten them. There we go. I don't know how people do this with their thumbs, do you? Because I don't. Shit. Oh. It's nice and light, I will say that. Alright, let's check this. I wish this was wireless. But like wireless, like with a Wi-Fi signal. Alright, cool. Perfect. Let's get some keycaps. Even comes with O-rings. Nice. We're not gonna use those here. Ooh, we got a warranty guard. Bien. Wow. Okay, what's this? Oh, it's my number pad. Okay, we don't need all this yet. But dude, these are nice. A nice profile. These are actually bluer than I expected. This is gonna be really cool. No. No. Cool. Oh my god. These are actually nice. Check this out. These are really nice and heavy. Shit. All right. Some flex. Definitely not as much as I would. And that could be because I screwed it on too tight. These do have some wobble, the switches. But wow, I'm actually impressed with these keycaps. These are pretty, like, oh my god. I think I just got a taste of that sound. Alright, there's some flex there. This is definitely a blue build, that's for sure. Matches my light aesthetic. These are definitely not drop keycaps, but I will say, ooh, this tab one's a little light. Am I an animal for going vertical versus horizontal? Maybe. I don't care. Half of this is done. I'm actually kind of impressed with the feel. I think this is an MX profile, or Cherry profile. I thought it said there. I have to remember which one is the function. This is actually not a full. These are very specific. This is a Cherry MX. Like I know it's for its own, but we'll find out right away if it goes beyond just ones they make. Oh shit, I messed up. No, I did. So I'm going to be short a keycap. So whatever that is. What is it? What's that special place for? It's isolated, so it's not part of a typical thing. That's for sure. This is not for six shit. That's where the problem's coming. There's not enough. I thought this was a full set. I'm gonna have to dig through my arsenal to figure this out. I don't think it's gonna fit. I might have to pull my Keychrons out for this one. Shit. That's good to know. I thought this would work. I bought this specifically thinking it'd fit. That's my fault. Yep. That's not gonna work. So we have that as a problem. And there are no arrow keys. it's for a specific type of keyboard. And I was under the impression it should work. So that kind of sinks. Yeah. What? E. Wow. That sucks. So it does not have all the keys I need. Actually. And these won't work. I'm going to go with Keychron. That's good to know. Wow. Which is fine. I can make it work, but it just does kind of suck because... So without it, let's hear what it sounds like. Okay, so a couple things. So I got that guy, which is a delete key, arrow keys, and a shift key. So I need to get my Keychron set out. Good to know. Page up, page down. Home. Delete keys aren't gonna look right. It's not the right profile. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So fuck. It took the whole fucking thing. Look, it pulled the fucking switch out. Look. It's a fucking droid. Wow. Cool. Let's put another one in. Apparently these keycaps really latched on. So we put a print screen for now. That looks better. So I don't want these to look too off. then I just need a shift and these keys. Oh, there are my arrow keys. Thank the Lord. I was like, oh my god, there are no arrow keys. They're there. They just weren't there. I will need 3 keys though for those. So almost a perfect build. But I wonder if I could use custom. No. Just not it. Good to learn, right? Alright, cool. Thanks for building with me. I might finish this off. Real stream later. See ya.